Today, Andrei had that new toys. You want to open your toys, Andrei?
Toys?
It's okay. You can open it. Want? Mommy will help you. Okay. Open it. Okay. It's nice. Idadagdag niya to dun sa kitchen niya. Gusto niya to. Wow! Do you like it? Okay. What you will say to mommy?
Thank you.
What is that? It's a
It's a
egg pie.
egg.
This one, what is this? What is this, Andrei?
Grapes.
Grapes. And this one? This one?
Pizza.
Pizza. This one? This one? What is this? What is that?
Bread.
Bread. Hot dog bread.
Hot dog.
Yeah. And that one?
That one chicken.
Chicken. And this? What is this? What is that?
Fish.
Fish. And this one? This one? What is this?
Egg.
Egg. Very good. You like it?
Like it?
Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye guys.
Baby. I have a surprise for you. You want to see it? Wow. What is that?
Is that
Truck. Do you like it? So what are you going to say to mommy?
Thank you.
Okay. So we will unboxing it. Show me. We're going to unbox. Mommy na, mommy. Yeah, mommy will remove this first. Hello. Say hello muna. Hello.
Hello.
Okay. So show to them what is your toys. Mommy will going to unbox. Mina, I will open it. You cannot open it. Okay. Hirap buksan. Okay. 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 Wow. Okay, show to them what is this? What is this? Can you tell them what is this?
Excavator.
Excavator, this one.
Road.
Okay, this one.
Truck.
And this one.
Who does that?
Very good. Do you like it? Do you like it?
Do you like it?
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, what you'll say to mommy?
Thank you.
And love.
Love you.
Very good.
Get it open. Get it.
Okay, we will remove it.
Where's the tablet?
Later na, later. Okay. Do you like it?
Don't you?
Very good. Okay. So guys, this is
This is the doctor.
okay. It's a
This
engineering trucks. This is the favorite toy of Andrei.
Wow.
So he's happy. Andrei is happy.
And